Welcome, future pharmacists, to Knowledge Knockout by Laveesh Vishnoi, the ultimate pharmacy quiz showdown. Today we're diving into rapid-fire, high-yield Pharmaceutic's MCQs, perfect prep for D.Pharm, B.Pharm, GPAT, and more. I'll present each question and options, then reveal the answer and a quick explanation. Pause after each question to think and lock in your answer. Simulate real exam pressure. Keep track of your score and share it in the comments at the end. Remember, it's not just about getting every answer right. It's about learning and growing together. Grab a pen and paper or keep a mental tally, ready to test your knowledge and sharpen your skills. Let's jump in. The Pharma Knockout Challenge starts now. First question. What's the main purpose of a tablet disintegration test? A. Hardness. B. Drug content uniformity. C. Time to break up. D. Friability. Lock in your answer. The correct answer is C. To assess the time it takes for the tablet to break up, disintegration ensures a tablet breaks down in the GI tract, allowing the drug to be absorbed. Without proper disintegration, the medication can't work effectively. Next, a solution with the same osmotic pressure as body fluids is called A. Isotonic, B. Hypertonic, C. Hypertonic, D. Atonic. The answer is A. Isotonic. Isotonic solutions like 0.9% sodium chloride match our blood's solute concentration, preventing cell damage. This is crucial for safe injections. What does shelf life officially mean? A. Manufacturing time. B. Clinical trial duration. C. Time before expiry. D. Time on shelf. The answer is C. The period before the product expires. Shelf life is how long a drug maintains its identity, potency, and safety under recommended storage. Determined by stability testing, it's vital for quality assurance. Which granulation technique best prevents tablet defects like capping and lamination? A. Wet granulation. B. Dry granulation. C. Direct compression. D. Slugging. The answer is A. Wet granulation. Wet granulation forms strong bonds between particles, reducing defects and producing robust tablets. It's the go-to method for high-quality tablets. In emulsions, what's the main function of a surfactant? A. Increase viscosity. B. Lower interfacial tension. C. Provide color. D. Act as preservative. The answer is B. To lower interfacial tension. Surfactants help oil and water mix by reducing the force that keeps them apart, stabilizing the emulsion. This is key for uniform, stable liquid formulations. Which capsule type is used for liquids or semi-solids? A. Hard gelatin. B. Starch. C. Soft gelatin. D. Enteric coated. The answer is C. Soft gelatin capsule. Soft gels are single-sealed units with a flexible shell, perfect for non-solid contents like oils. They protect the fill and ensure dose accuracy. Hard gelatin capsules are mainly for powders. Which factor least affects tablet dissolution rate? A. Particle size. B. Surface area. C. Shape. D. Disintegrant. The answer is C. Shape. Particle size, surface area, and disintegrants all speed up dissolution. Tablet shape has minimal impact compared to these. Understanding this helps optimize drug release. Which instrument measures viscosity in creams and ointments? A. Brookfield viscometer. B. Carl Fischer titrator. C. Dissolution apparatus. D. Fryabilator. The answer is A. Brookfield viscometer. It measures resistance to flow, crucial for product quality and consistency. The other instruments serve different testing purposes. Which method reduces but doesn't sterilize microorganisms? A. Pasteurization. B. Autoclaving. C. Dry heat. D. Filtration. The answer is A. Pasteurization. It uses mild heat to lower microbial load, ideal for heat-sensitive products like milk. It extends shelf life but isn't full sterilization. Which is a super disintegrant? A. Lactose. B. Sodium starch glycolate. C. Talc. D. Magnesium stearate. The answer is B. Sodium starch glycolate. Super disintegrants rapidly break tablets apart for faster drug release. They work at low concentrations by swelling quickly. This speeds up onset of action. Congratulations! You've completed the Pharma Knockout Challenge. Tally your score and share it in the comments. Whether you aced it or found areas to improve, you're one step closer to exam success. Remember, understanding the why is key. Challenge a friend, like, share, and subscribe for more knockout rounds. Stay curious, keep learning, and join us next time for another battle of pharmacy minds. This is Laveesh Vishnoi, signing off. See you in the next challenge.